I was really struggling in my first year to really figure out what it means to actually run a business. But my principle that I still hold dear today is that I'm going to try it at least once. If it allows me to expand my business, if it brings in revenue and allows me to create positive impact, I'll do it again. If it doesn't, then at least I've tried it. I know what doesn't work as well. And if we apply those lessons and we become clearer as to what we want to do with our business, that also helps us to save time in the long run. Fear of the unknown is also very common, and probably stress levels are going to be higher as you try to adapt to all these changes. One of the things that is really helpful is practicing mindfulness, paying attention to how you're feeling, what you're thinking, how your body is experiencing all these changes, but being very careful not to judge. We're simply acknowledging that yes, in this moment, I feel anxious. And one of the very good strategies is to simply pause and recognize that, we are human. This is the difficult time. Instead of beating ourselves up and saying, how come everyone seems like they can manage it, you cannot? Because this makes us feel worse. And then taking a few deep breaths, for example, 4 seconds in, 8 seconds out, and recognize that we are still in control, even though everything else around us seems to be spinning out of control. You may want to think about, hey, what is something in this moment that we can actually be grateful for?